Today, we are going to install the Palo Alto ION 1200S into the RM-PA-T12 from Rackmount.IT. The PA-415 and PA-415G are also compatible with this rack mount kit. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit, one extension plate, one screw, and 9 zip ties. Extend your rack mount by inserting both ends of the extension plate into the designated slots. Place your appliance on the rack with the connectors facing the front. Slightly tilt the appliance, then push the right side in first, followed by the left. Fix the appliance with the provided bolt from the bottom of the rack. To install the power supply, put 2 zip ties through the designated holes. Place the power supply on the extension plate between the zip ties and tighten firmly. Guide the power cable through the designated hole and connect it to your Palo Alto device. Secure the cable with a zip tie on the rack and tie the excess length of the power cable down with another zip tie. If a redundant power supply is used, repeat the steps related to the power supply. Optionally, you can connect SMA cables to the front. Use a screwdriver and hammer to punch out the holes in the designated locations. Cables are not included. You are done installing the appliance into the rack mount kit. Double-check to ensure all pieces are secured. Place your Palo Alto rack mount in your 19-inch cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us online, Rackmount.IT